welcome back to Play With Us.
Hello guys, in this video I got some chocolate surprise eggs to open from Disney planes. That's really cool. I'm going to have a total of 3 of them. And here's a look at some of the cool little planes that you could get out of the surprise eggs. So let's open them. Look at Dusty right there. So I gotta put some stickers on it, and I'm about to pause the video and get these stickers on there and I'll show you what it looks like. So I got all the stickers on them, and here's a good look at them. So check it out, his propeller spins. Oh yeah, that's really cool. I'm not quite sure who this is, guys, so if you guys want to leave a comment below if you know who this is, I would appreciate it. Alright, so I'm about to move on to the next surprise egg. So this one is a little bit crushed, but I'm about to open it. The chocolate's broken on it. So, gotta be very careful to not make a mess out of this. So here's the surprise egg. Oh wow, this one's got a bunch of little parts on it. And it's a jet. So I'm about to put all the stickers on him and show you what he looks like with all the stickers. Alright, so here is what Bravo looks like with all of his stickers. So now let's open the final egg. I wonder what's in this egg. Whoops. I'm about to put all the stickers on him and we'll see what he looks like. So here's the last and final plane, guys. I think these chocolate surprise eggs are great. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. I had lots of fun opening them and putting the planes together and all the stickers on them. So thank you for watching. If you are a new viewer, please like and subscribe and join us next time.